Building a website for your chocolatier business should not be complicated or difficult, and it certainly shouldn't be expensive either. That's why today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Marty Sites platform to build a simple website for your chocolatier business. If you haven't heard of Marty Sites before, Marty Sites is an easy to use website generator for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles. There is a free trial available for 7 days. It's only going to cost you $9 a month for the service, but that free trial for 7 days, you don't even have to put your credit card details in. So make sure you click on the link below this video to sign up for that free trial and give it a go and see how well the platform works for you and your small business. Once you've joined the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your market. Now, we have hundreds of different markets for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week. So let's head to the top and search for our market and get started. I'm going to go ahead and search for our market, Chocolatier. Whoops. Let's go ahead and reselect that. I accidentally clicked on the wrong one. Awesome. So let's go ahead and select that template again. Great. Let's now Marty start a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to pop in my city and my state or region over here. And it doesn't matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the Marty site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you've clicked on continue, that will allow Marty sites to automatically generate a website with the information you've just put in. And there you have it. It's literally taken a couple seconds. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see. They're completely free for you to use, and they look absolutely delicious. However, I'm sure you've got some amazing images of all the beautiful creations you are coming up with at your business. You want to showcase them on your website, maybe make 1 or 2 amendments to that content. Perhaps you don't offer all those services. Maybe make each section a little bit more personalized to your business so customers can get a little bit more details about how your business came to be. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to go through each section, make some slight amendments. You don't need to know any website coding or be a web professional in any sort of way. You certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's get started. I'm going to click on the first section at the top, pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that is visible on my website so my customers can get in touch if need be. So let's go ahead and tick that box. Excellent. Let's pop in our phone number over here. That is click to call, by the way, and our physical location, our street address. Put it in over here. When your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps. And update social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. If you have a logo, head on over to the next section to upload it. Once it's been uploaded, you can click on that pencil, you can crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames. Otherwise, click on save. Here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller. Excellent. Now with Marty sites as well, we pre-selected the colors for you. If you'd like to change them, click on that paint bucket, bottom right-hand corner, go through the various color palettes available. No color coding, just select each color palette that suits your business. For each section you want to make amendments to, click on update section directly underneath it. Head on over to update images. This is where you can browse your device and upload all those amazing images if you have your own. Otherwise, find some great ones in the photo library, hundreds to choose from. They don't look like they've been taken on a mobile phone, very professional and completely free to use. Otherwise, you have the option to connect your Instagram account with a click of a button, automatically pull in all those Instagram photos if you have a profile, of course. And update action is where we can change those call to actions, the buttons, the text on them, and where the buttons link to. You can even link to another website or upload a PDF file. In the last section, we have a lead generation form. Customers can easily reach out to you here with their queries, get in touch. You can keep track of all your leads in your Marty dashboard. Now, if you have a custom domain for your business already, perhaps through another third party, go ahead and click on connect to your domain. If you don't have a domain yet, you really want one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors, go ahead and click on that button as well. You actually have the option to purchase a custom domain via our platform as well. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website on our platform for your business. And I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success.